fans. Pose for the fans. Pose for the fans.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Let me introduce our group. We are group 9. My name is Lady Giltania Mangela and my members.
My name is Indo Alam.
My name is Rizda.
My name is Fatwa Maulana.
In this presentation, we will explain about a simple heat engine.
Enjoy the presentation.
Theory. A simple heat engine is a device that functions to convert thermal energy into mechanical energy or work. Its basic principle is to adjust the temperature difference between a heat source and a cooled environment. When a working substance such as gas or steam receives heat from a high temperature source, the substance expands and produces that can move a piston. The motion of the piston is then converted into mechanical work. In theory, a heat engine operates based on the first law and the second law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but only transformed from one form to another. In a heat engine, the heat absorbed by the system is partly converted into work and partly into a change in internal energy.
Tools and materials. Scissors, used to cut paper or other materials according to the required shape and size. Candle, function as the heat source in the simple heat engine experiment. Paper, used to make components such as a tube or design pattern. Cutter, used to cut thicker materials or to make more precise cuts. Marker, used to mark patterns or cutting lines so they are clearly visible. Pencil, used to sketch designs or mark measurements before cutting. Hot glue, used to attach and assemble the parts of the model. Adhesive tape, used to strengthen, join, and secure parts so they do not easily come loose. Use can, functions as the main body of the simple heat engine where it receives heat from the candle so that the air inside expands and produces motion.
Procedure. First, cut the top and bottom of a used can, then shape it into a flat sheet. Then draw a circle on the metal sheet and cut it out. Next, draw 12 lines from the edge to the center and draw a small circle in the middle. After that, cut along the lines. Do not cut the center, then bend each part to form blades. Then, make a support frame from cardboard, one big square and 3 small squares, and cut them out. Next, attach the cardboard to a wooden base and fix a pencil at the axis using tape. After that, make a cylinder from a drawing book cover and secure it. Then add support so the turbine stands firmly on the cylinder. Next, install the turbine on the cylinder and make sure it can tow. Next, install the turbine on the cylinder and make sure it can rotate freely. Finally, place two candles under the turbine, light them, and observe the turbine spinning due to hot air.
The simple heat engine works by using thermal energy from a candle as the energy source. When the candle is lit, it produces heat that warms the air inside the cylinder or made from a drawing book cover. The heated air expands and rises because the side becomes lower than the surrounding air. The rising hot air then hits the turbine blades made from a used can. Since the blades are bent in the same direction, the flow of hot air passes them and makes the turbine rotate. This rotation shows the conversion of heat energy into mechanical energy or motion. The carbon and wooden support keep the turbine stable and balanced so it can rotate properly. The pencil used as an axis acts as a shaft that allows the turbine to spin with minimal friction. Overall, this device shows the following energy transformation: chemical energy, or in the candle, heat energy, kinetic energy of air, mechanical energy, or turbine rotation. This device also demonstrates the basic principle of a heat engine, which uses a temperature difference to produce work in accordance with the first law and second law of thermodynamics.